Hello Internet, and here we go again with another daily chat. So, I thought we'd talk about Honda. And Honda motorcycles have been going obviously for many years. They're a Japanese made machine, and the one thing the Japs do, they make brilliant machines. I mean, Honda as a brand itself, just get it right time and time again. I've owned, I can't even number the amount of Hondas I've had now. From being, on the early days of 17 on an NSR 125, right up to riding the Fireblade that you hold on and you go, whoa, this is quick. I mean, they're just so well made. None of them have ever gone wrong. They've only just required the usual maintenance that you have done on a yearly basis. I mean, they just make really good machines. I mean, you can look, can't you? Really look at that brand and think, you guys achieve like staggering leaps time and time again. There's not really much more you can say about Honda other than just being incredible. I remember the first time I got on a Honda CBR 600RR, I generally thought I was on a race bike. It was really light, it flew along, and straight away the handling was incredible. The problem with the machine was, it makes you want to go really quick. And before you know it, you're going, do you know what, I'm going to have to sell it, because it's just making me think I'm on a racetrack, and I'm going to end up getting hurt, because it just feels that much like a race bike. One of my favourite bikes I had was the Honda CBR 600F, and that's kind of like the all-round sort of sports tourer, not too much of a tourer, but sports tourer kind of feel, with the seat being for you and the pillion, and it obviously does that one seat in one kind of thing. But I went for miles and miles on that bike, and it was a confidence builder as well. It was smooth, it had all the power you wanted. It is, that sports bike, but a smooth sports bike kind of ride. There's so many different models out there. You've obviously got things like the Hornet, more of that sort of slightly upright without sort of the bottom part of the fairing on it. I mean, they were known to be brilliant bikes. So Honda just do it well, and that's that kind of makes you want to see that. The one thing, and I mentioned it before, is the Honda DeVille that I had. I mean, that was just like brilliant, just brilliant thought out machine. So well and so well made. It was boring. It just didn't have any kind of soul to it. You just rode it, and you could go from A to B, and it was comfortable, and wind protection was great. It had loads of room for luggage all built in, and it was just really good bike. But I sold it because I was bored, and that was the only reason. So Honda, well done again. You make some cracking bikes, and I look forward to riding some more in the future. Anyway, this is a really quick chat about Honda. If you'd like to leave us a comment, that would be brilliant. Thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, click on the button. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.